Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, HPCL has released the vacancy in various domain. The online application is already started from 5th June 2024 and last date of making online application is 30th June 2024. So if you see at serial number 2.11, there is a vacancy for chartered accountants. Here the pay scale is in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000. There are total 29 vacancies available. The upper age limit is 27 years and the qualification asked is that you should be a chartered accountant, and along with that you need to have a membership of ICAI, then only eligible. There is no minimum experience requirement criteria. So that's really a good thing. Even if you don't have any experience, you can apply for this post. But the condition is that you should have a membership number. And here they have mentioned minimum 50% marks in CA final is required, including group 1 and group 2. So that's the basic marks that one need to score to clear the CA examination. And as I already mentioned, there is no work experience requirement for CA post. Now selection process. Here they have mentioned that shortlisting will be based on various methods like computer based test, group task, personal interview, etc. But the thing is, friend, from last two vacancies they have not conducted any computer test. They have directly shortlisted the candidate based on the CA final score. So if you are having a good score, then the chances are you will be directly called for personal interview. There will not be any computer based test, though they have mentioned here. So but the chances are directly shortlisting for the interview round. That's why I will not go in detail the computer based test, exam pattern and all those things. Now perks and perquisites, you will be in the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000. Here the CTC to company will be 17.33 lakhs. So that's really a very good package considering that no experience is asked by them. So definitely give it a try if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, and your CTC include all the allowances and the benefits of the company. Placement and posting, you can be posted at any location, division, department of the company as per their requirement across India. Here they have not mentioned specifically how many vacancies are for reserve category candidate, but at consolidated level they have mentioned that for pay scale 50,000 to 1,60,000, out of the total vacancies released by them in various domain, 85 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserve category candidate. So individual vacancy wise breakup is not available here. Now application process, as I already mentioned, online application already started from 5th June and last date of making application is 30th June 2024, and you have to apply by visiting website of the company through online mode only. Now application fee, friends, here the application fee is rupees 1,000 plus taxes for unreserved OBC, non-creamy layer candidate and EWS category candidate, and for others it is free. That is SC, ST, PWBD category candidate are exempt from making application fee. So rest are normal terms and condition. You can check them in detail. I will provide the notification link in the description. You can check that in detail. So friends, if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you should definitely give it a try and apply for this post, since there will not be any exam, directly shortlisting for the interview round, and you will get a very handsome package. So definitely give it a try. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.